All right, so to change the lens from the standard lens on the GoPro to the wide angle, hyper wide angle HD series lens, there's two steps. First, we have to remove this lens. So we turn this lens 45. We turn this lens at a 45-degree counterclockwise. And there we go, we got that at 45 degrees counterclockwise. Pop the original lens off, and we'll just put this back in the other lens case. And now we have the Hyper HD series wide angle lens. Line this blue dot with the blue dot on the camera. Okay, snap that in place, and then rotate it clockwise till it locks. Now we have this bad boy with its wide angle lens, and I'm going to charge this. I'm going to put a brand new SD card that I have right here into this camera, and tomorrow I will be taking this out and field testing it.